First of all, we have to understand who is an advanced speaker, advanced communicator. There are three factors I feel like. First is unconscious sentence formation. If you can do that unconscious sentence formation, you are an advanced speaker. When you shift from basic to advanced, that shift is it's so subtle. I mean, it's very unconscious shift. You will never realize that you have slowly shifted towards advanced and you are speaking better and advanced English. Dear friends, even I don't know where I stand in, whether my English is advanced level or mid-level, whatever it is. But today, wherever I am, it's because of my belief in myself, because of my discipline, and because of my consistency. And I think that's very crucial, guys. From basic to advanced. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to migrate, how to transfer yourself from basic to advanced. Well, this journey from basic to advanced is not going to be that easy. Well, the reason is, you understand one thing, to just go to the basic level, that's fine, I mean, but to be advanced speaker, it's going to take a lot of efforts for that. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about all those things. Now, let me tell you something very important here. This is not going to be a ready-made sentence formation video where I'm going to tell you how to form sentences or I'm going to give you some grammar lessons. That's not going to happen here because that's not going to help you out. So if you are really interested in using the authentic methods where grammar and all that synthetic methods are used, and if you don't want that, definitely this video is for you. So everyone wants to go to the advanced level and I'm here to help you out. So let us jump in and let us start here. So the first thing is, first of all, we have to understand who is an advanced speaker, advanced communicator. There are three factors I feel like. First is unconscious sentence formation. If you can do that unconscious sentence formation, you are an advanced speaker. Unconscious means what? So you understand, right now I'm talking to you. I'm not thinking about any tenses or I'm not aware of what kind of sentence structure I'm using. I'm completely unaware of all those things. I'm just interacting with you. And if you can do that, that is called as unconscious sentence formation. So while talking, while conversing, when you are able to form sentences without any thought or without any delay or time lag, then you are an advanced communicator. Second factor is if you can use vocabulary and multiple vocabulary. I mean, if you can use synonyms, a lot of synonyms you can use for the same word, then you are an advanced speaker. And along with that, while using the words, those words just pop out of your mouth so easily without any efforts. They are effortlessly coming out of your mouth. Then you are an advanced communicator. Another factor which I consider for advanced communicator is confidence in speaking. You must be able to speak confidently. Confidently one-to-one is of course there, but confidently giving talks, public talks, giving presentations, giving public speeches in English, I consider as a sign of advanced communicator. So advanced speaker is that speaker who forms sentences naturally without translation or without delay, time lag. Vocabulary is sound, I mean good vocabulary, multiple vocabulary, a lot of synonyms. And third factor, as I said before, that the speaker should be confident. I mean, he should not hesitate while talking in front of people, in front of the crowd. That is advanced communicator. And now the thing is very important, how much time it's going to take. And let me give you bad news here. If you are habitual of listening to 2 months and 3 months or 21 days, please give me a break. That's not going to happen. It's going to take a lot of time. Exactly, I can't tell you because understand, when you shift from basic to advanced, that shift is it's so subtle. I mean, it's very unconscious shift. You will never realize that you have slowly shifted towards advanced and you are speaking better and advanced English. So exactly, we can't judge, can't tell. And for that, I will definitely say that it's a lifetime process. It's a continuous process. It's a never-ending process. So I can't give you any specific time limit, but still, if you insist, I'll say maybe around 2 to 3 years. Shocked. That's what I said. I mean, that's going to happen. But we should not focus about the time period. The more you think about when I'm going to arrive there, the more stressed you get. So forget about that. Let us continue with our journey now. Now, unconscious sentence formation, how to do that? Try to understand. Sentences are formed unconsciously if you spend a lot of time with the sentences. If you spend a lot of time with sentences. If you spend a lot of time with what? You have to consume those sentences. And consumption is in three forms. Usually, first consumption is reading. If you read every day, see, the point is 90 minutes every day reading is a must if you want to jump from basic to advanced. 90 minutes, then I will tell you what to read. Second is listening a podcast. It's very compulsory, mandatory. It should be for 2 hours every day, and I'll tell you how to do that. Number 3 factor is very crucial. Speaking. I mean, if you don't speak, what's the use of all these things? So speaking must be for 60 to 120 minutes every day if you want to shift from basic to advanced. This is what is expected. And if you do more speaking, well and good, if you have the surrounding. Let us move forward and see what to read. I told you reading. Now, it's very crucial. Read novels. Read interesting novels. Interesting is a very important word. Having said this, I'll recommend you Harry Potter is the best in this category, because I have seen my daughter purchased all that series of Harry Potter. And when I picked up that book, it was riveting. I mean, the way J.K. Rowling has penned it is mesmerizing. I mean, it is like scintillating. You can't keep it down. It's a page turner. And the vocabulary used was awesome and mind-boggling. So I would definitely say that if you want to take your English to the next level, go with novels like Harry Potter. So see, understand, it's not only Harry Potter, otherwise you will just keep on buying Harry Potter. I'm just giving an example of that. Second stuff is read Times of India editorials. Editorials are really awesome if you want to go with advanced English. The reason is the vocabulary used here now. Advanced vocabulary is used in Times of India editorials, and there are some awesome editorials. I mean, editorial team they have, and the way they pen an article, compose an article, is really mind-numbing. I mean, when you read, see the vocabulary, the way the content has been composed, is really awesome. So this is the number 2 factor. Number 3 factor is blogs. Read international blogs. For example, I read many international blogs. For example, I read a blog written by Tim Ferriss, my favorite blogger. Then I read a blog written by, who is that guy? He writes a blog on procrastination. Tim Ferriss is another, this guy's name I have forgotten. But in the text I will type the name of that, the guy when I edit this video. Tim Urban, I got it. Tim Urban, both are Tims, very nice. Then I go with blogs written by the author of Atomic Habits. Awesome blogs he writes. The way he composes the blog is awesome. So go with international bloggers now. Now, because you're advanced English learner, go with advanced blogs. So let us move forward. What to read, what to listen now. As I said, number 2 is listening. Go with international speakers, international podcasts. And in that list, definitely I can say that 7 Good Minutes is very good. Or go with some international speakers are there. No Indian accent. BBC News, very good for taking English to the next level. It's awesome. And next is even this news is Indian, but still I'll say go with newsonair.com. Again, because the vocabulary used is awesome. Okay, so this is what listening is. Now let's come to the last point, and that is speaking. Speaking 60 minutes to 120 minutes a day is going to help you to frame better sentences. It's going to help you to develop your vocabulary, because understand, vocabulary, sentence formations only happen when you speak. I mean, because if you don't speak, they don't develop. It's all about speaking. It's all about using it, consumption. It's all about that. Otherwise, nothing is going to change. See guys, in this video, I haven't given you any ready-made sentences or ready-made vocabulary. It's not going to help you out. Try to understand that. Language cannot be taught like a subject. Language has to be learned. The language has to be developed internally, inside out it is. It's not like externally, outside in, it's inside out. So if you are still here with me, it means you have the patience, and it also means that you are really made for that advanced communicator. Your friends, even I don't know where I stand in, whether my English is advanced level or mid level, whatever it is. But today, wherever I am, it's because of my belief in myself, because of my discipline, and because of my consistency. And I think that's very crucial, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please keep on watching my videos. One more thing is, there are many people who watch my video. Most of them, more than 80% don't subscribe my channel. Well, why to subscribe? Because don't subscribe for me, because I want it. Subscribe because I'm really going to make some great stuff on this channel about communication, about mental health, not motivation, mental health, about dealing with office politics and communication and public speaking and all that stuff, which is very important, I'm sure. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and hope slowly you will transform from basic to advanced. Thanks a lot, and namaste to you. Goodbye.